Hello, and welcome to this Redux walkthrough. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the difference between sections, templates, template kits, and saved items in the Redux library. From any post or page, click the Redux Templates button. And you can see along the top of the Redux library, we have 4 categories: sections, templates, template kits, and saved. Sections, the default category, are individual building blocks used to build out your site. These include things like call to action sections, content sections, contact sections, headers, and heroes. If you want to compose your design from individual building blocks, sections will allow you to do that. But if you want a page design that's already been built, you can choose templates. Templates are composed of individual sections to create a full page design. Template kits are kits composed of multiple templates. For example, if we choose to preview AC Technician, you'll see a home page template, an about page template, a contact page template, and a services page template. Each of these can be imported individually. And finally, the saved category will show you any Gutenberg reusable blocks that you've saved.